look like it's fully cooked. That is it. Plum to me. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, my beautiful people. Yeah, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Yeah, man. Today, I have cook some boiled dumpling on the fire. Yeah, man. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Yes, my people. Look on the fire. Yeah, man. I'm gonna put on the pot right now. Make the water start boil up. Yeah, man, I see him old pressure cooker, man. Yeah, man, I see him bad old pressure cooker, you know. Yeah, catch up the fire. Yeah, man, like up the video, man, people. Come watch the video, and now like up the video. Okay, and subscribe. Cook some boiled dumpling, you know. Saltfish, no coconut juice. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Alright. Fire blaze, you know. Look if the water start boil up. Oh. Yeah, that is it. Pot cover hot. Boil up now, so I put it in the flour them now. Real caramel dumpling, some salt in the first. Alright. Put the salt in. Use some salt. Alright, time to put it in the flour them now. Water ready. Alright, my people, see them there? That is it. You saw them big and thick. Yeah, man, a really hard man flour them there, man. Them have for me and my subscriber, you know. Beautiful subscriber, okay? You know, make that boil. Follow me up on the banana tree. I get some green bananas and drop in that. So alright, I could cover it up, make it go and boil. Yeah, man, it blaze up, you know, my people. So watch, you know. Follow me go get some green banana in the backyard. You see me? Now jar from mash it now and get some green banana. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Okay? And now watch the video and now subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Look at that. Boil up, watch it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Go for the mash it now. See, mash it. You're gonna get some banana. Man, look at banana tree them. Look on them. Run some weed out, still up on grass. Alright. Reach, you know. Yeah. Oh, young banana. Yeah, for that way I get them still. Yeah, man. I have to climb a tree. I let that neighbor to wonderful, you know. Let that shaky, but still I do it, man. I have to get the food, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Ready. Ready. Yeah, man. See banana them there. Yeah, man. Them we're going to get and put in a pot. You see it, my people. So subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. Remember when I plant them, I just one tree and look at them. After that, I cut right one all day. Yeah. Banana like crazy. Banana around this again. See that 2 bunch on the back. Replant them now. So I get some eating boiled banana for this one. But I'm going to climb the tree. Alright. Yeah. Banana. People, tree ain't up come down. My weight broke that tree. Look at it. And you know, get them still, see it. Alright, cut off the bottom one. Right, that's some people. Right there, I cut off this one. Yeah. This is going on part, people. All of this. Alright. Make that one bunch of stay for later, you see. Look at that. You know, slippers and socks. Yeah. Yeah, just get a banana now. So I'm gonna peel them now. Put in a pot. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Yummy. Yeah. I get the banana peel up, you know. Peel off the banana them and put in the fresh water. So catch me when I finish peel the banana. Thumbs up the video, okay? Alright. Yeah, look at that, man, people. Get it peeled up now. Ready. Yeah, man. Take them out of the skin, you know, you see it? Take them out of the skin now, so I'll drop them in boiling water with the flour. Yeah, catch me and drop them in a pot. Okay. What? What's boiling up now? Yeah. Yeah, man. Them they actually cooking up. Yeah, but banana never go in it still. So I drop in the banana now. Yeah. Take up them one 4. Drop them in it. Ah. Them boil. Yeah, man. Alright. So I make that boil up in people. So I cover it and then me eat a little stir. Puppy have eat some saltfish bone. Hey, puppy have a thirsty later, you know. Puppy grew up off the saltfish bone, man. Hey, puppy, you're gonna thirsty later, like, wow. Yeah, man, no more than I did that, puppy. Puppy, I eat some saltfish bone, you know. Yeah, man, this look like a fully cooked. That is it. Yeah, I'm gonna eat a little chip. Eat a little chip there. Alright, watch it. Fully cooked. Alright, I'll take out this knife and put on the frying pot. Fire ready. You want it to ketchup back again. Hot up. Yeah, that is it. Yeah man, I go ahead and throw some oil in there, you know. Yeah man, the oil is supposed to hot, you know. I throw some scotch bonnet pepper and all this garlic. Right now, this we are using, this we have a ton right, you know. Yeah man, well hot. We go and fry out little. I throw some saltfish in it. Ready. Yeah man, look at that. Fire blaze. Alright, we go through and boil a piece of saltfish. Yeah man, we boil this and pick it up and clean it up off camera. You see me? So if you want to see how to boil saltfish, just comment below and tell me. If you got more or less say, yo, it's simple for you. Just boil it in water and clean it up. So I go ahead and chew it in that, make it fry up now. Make that fry up now, and then we go chew in the butter bean and coconut milk. That is it. Yeah man, smell it nice. Thumbs up the video, my people. Yeah man, I go ahead and chew some coconut milk now. Yeah man, I go and simmer. Real natural coconut milk in it. Yeah man, we go and simmer now. So we'll cover up it, we go and simmer, okay? Yeah, check on it, you know. What? Look at that. Yeah man. I chose some tomato. It's some plummy tomato out of the garden. Yeah, man, if you check out my video, man, my garden come from a joy, you know, plummy tomato. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna simmer little and then we'll throw in the butter bean. Yeah, I throw in this tonight, you know. I want butter bean tonight. Like you go and simmer dog, my people. Subscribe to the channel. Okay? Yeah, man. Ready for it. Yeah. One butter bean tonight. Alright. Simmer down and then catch you when I eat it, okay? Yeah, man, it's gonna be so nice and lovely. People, man, go check it, you know. Finish. Look at that. Yeah, I take it off, you know. I share it with the dumpling and banana. Okay. Right. So we take it off now. Yeah, man. Ready for eat, you know. Yeah. I'll share out in our plate, you know. I'll catch me share it out. You know. Yeah, my people, so me share out now. Yeah, man. Look at cut noodle in it, you know. Yeah, man, look at that, people. Yeah. Ready for eat. Banana this one. Saltfish, you know. No more, next time I show you when I eat. Subscribe to the video.